been talking about this recipe and the name of this dish for so long.
I know.
Shishito Yakitori.
Shrimp and Shishito Yakitori.
Shrimp and Shishito. Darn it, I was so close.
It's a tongue twister.
It really
There's no question. But it's a great dish.
And Shishito Yakitori.
Yakitori is one of the most ancient of Japanese cooking methods. You know, everything on a skewer, on a stick, can taste good.
All right,
you know, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start off by making the sauce for this. You know, and we're gonna start off with the base with a really, really good soy sauce. And in Japanese, they say shoyu. So we're gonna start off with some really good shoyu. Some really good, deep, rich soy sauce. And then we're gonna have some ponzu, which has yuzu in it, which is a Japanese lime. And we're gonna add some of the ponzu in there. We're gonna add some mirin, which is a sweet Japanese cooking wine to give it a little bit of sweetness. We're gonna add some lime juice to give it that acidity, which we love. Okay, and now we're gonna add some ginger. I'm gonna add some very, very finely minced ginger in there because we love the brightness of the flavor of the ginger.
Can I help you?
Yeah, please go ahead. And we're gonna add some toasted white miso. White miso paste is fermented soybean, and that really gives that. You can get it at any of your Asian grocers. I've seen it at, you know, the local grocers around town, and it really gives that depth of flavor, that umami effect. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of canola oil, and we're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, and this is gonna be the basis to our sauce slash marinade for this. Okay, we're just gonna whisk that. You did it perfectly. No.
No.
Yeah, let's add a little bit of pepper. Why not? Kick it up a little bit in spice.
I just saw
yeah, we'll have a little bit of black pepper in there, and that'll be great.
Really?
Okay, now we can take that and put that off to the side. That's all ready for us. And that's going to be a great dipping sauce for these yakitori. So we're going to bring this up. And look at these beautiful skewers we've already pre-done. Wow. So you're going to be generous with your guests because you want to impress your guests. So we have a wonderful 16-20 count ship. That means there's 16 to 20 per pound. So we just want to take
Those are big boys.
A Shishito pepper.
A Shishito.
Go ahead and take one. Take a skewer. And 1 in 10 of these things is going to be hot, like it'll make you take a knee, like you're doing a Tebow.
Okay, so.
Okay? So they're going to be very hot, but the other 9 aren't going to be so hot. And then we're going to take a shrimp, another Shishito, another shrimp, and this is the beginning of our yakitori. And are you ready?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're fine.
Hold on. Okay, and then wait. I might be slow, but
no, you're fine. You're doing fine. So I'm gonna take some of that sauce,
I want to make sure I impress
the reserved
my guests.
sauce, and we're gonna use that to dip at the end. That beautiful sauce we just made. But now we're gonna take those yakitori, and why don't you go ahead and dip the yakitori into the marinade, the sauce.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Right. I see what you're doing here.
You see what we're throwing down?
I do. Oh, we gotta dip them.
Yeah, just dip them a little bit.
Is that working?
Now place it on the grill. So and just put it on the grill right there. And this is a special yakitori grill. Okay,
really?
And this could be a great show for you to do at home. You just put them on, arrange them like this, and they're gonna cook beautifully. You're gonna take those shishitos. They're gonna get sweet yet spicy. We're gonna have that smokiness from the char on the grill. Wow. And on this grill, you can actually add some wood chips to that. But what a show this would be for your guests at home.
Absolutely.
Can you already smell that marinade cooking?
Yeah,
the wonderful shrimp, the soy. So when we come back, we're gonna plate these, we're gonna talk about them, and they're gonna be done cooking.
I forgot we were on TV for a second. I'm so enthralled with this. All right, Mark, let's take a break, and then we'll come back.
And we'll be right back.
Mark, literally, it took as long as just a few minutes to make this happen.
It's great. It's great. And the great thing about this is how interactive with your guests. You can have fun with it. The guests can build. You can make your own yakitori bar. You can have diced up chicken, beef, pork. The one thing that we talk about is the famous Japanese yakitori, chicken butts.
Chicken butt, for real.
It's one of the most famous ones. And when you go to Japan and you go to these little yakitori bars, whether it's on the street or inside of a restaurant, all they are is little coal-fired grills. And all they're constantly doing is turning skewers all day long. The guests are interactive, the chef's interactive. It's just a fun thing.
And it's like you can't help but want to do it.
I know,
you
right?
can't help it. Okay.
All right, so I think we're ready to plate.
All right.
So we can take these off, put on our plate. We have a little bit of that extra wonderful dipping sauce we just made.
That must have been mine.
That is yours.
I know.
Okay, perfect.
Look at how great those
And how
look.
gorgeous is that? And so
many
colorful,
colors.
so aromatic. We're gonna garnish that again with a little bit of scallion on the side, put a little bit of chives on top. You can put toasted sesame if you want. You can have some extra hot chili sauce to dip. But I think what we wanna do is we wanna enjoy this. Great thing to enjoy this with is some sake.
Okay.
So we're gonna have a little bit of sake to go along with this yakitori. I think it's a cool way to chill it down, because the best sake is served super, super cold.
Okay.
The warm stuff is the stuff that it isn't exactly the best.
Okay, so sake is what again?
Sake is rice wine.
Okay.
Rice wine. So cheers.
Cheers.
Wonderful. Now we're gonna take that yakitori and we're just gonna take a bite.
That's nice.
Oh my God, the
I
flavor,
can't wait. I was gonna say.
the soy, the mirin, everything came through. Now I'm gonna taste a little of that shishito.
Are you? You're gonna shishito it? Mm-hmm. What if you get that?
And I think I got the one.
Are you kidding me?
It's really hot.
Did you?
But that's
really,
okay.
Mark?
So I hope mine's not quite as, yours isn't quite as spicy as mine.
You got a bad one.
I got a hot one. So about 1 in 10 are super hot.
This is amazing.
And it's clearing out my, it got me a little bit. So we're gonna be serving the yakitori through Lent here at Bistro 1907.
Mine's not hot.
Yours isn't hot, see?
No.
You got the lucky one. All right.
This is amazing, by the way.
Well,
I'm
thank
sorry.
you.
He's like burning up. All right, we gotta go because we gotta go drink some water. Here, honey, you want some water?
No, I'm good.
I got it for you. Well,
All
actually,
right.
John,
Maybe
got
a little
it
bit
for
more
you.
sake.
There you go. Little sake, a little water.
Cheers, everybody.
We'll live, hopefully. Cheers.